Oh, hello, we're back. Me and Robo Lawyer. Robo Lawyer liked it so much last week that he asked to come back again this week. This week's topic is about statutes, that's legislation. What you need to know is how legislation is made and also how the courts interpret legislation. In fact, if you have a look at the objectives in the study module, or Module 4, you'll see mention of the doctrine of separation of powers. That topic was covered this year in Module 2 and Lecture 2, but basically it reinforces this whole idea about it's for the legislature to make the law, it's for the executive to apply the laws, and it's for the courts to interpret the laws. And what's that, Robo Lawyer? Robo Lawyer wants to know, if he studies just everything in the study guide, is that enough for the exam? Well, Robo Lawyer, I'm afraid you have to do the other readings as well, because if you some of the material in the study guide is not dealt with in the degree of depth which it is in understanding the Australian legal system. And so, as you can take those books into the exam, I think it's only fair that you should have read them and know what's in there as well. Because the study guide's been made up of a number of different sources, and as time goes by, extra material becomes available. So the study guide is a useful pointer, Robo Lawyer, but it's not necessarily the sole authority. I think people could do a lot better if they read their textbooks when they were directed to do so by the study guide, and also if they do the additional readings in the resource book. In addition, up on the course web page on Blackboard, you've got the lecture overheads for each week, series of announcements letting you know different things which are happening. It's pleasing to see that the discussion groups are operating, people making contributions there. What's that, Robo Lawyer? Robo Lawyer wants to know what we call legislation or acts of parliament. Well, it's got a special name, Robo Lawyer. They're called statutes. Statutes. They're not statues, they're statutes. And that's what we'll be looking at this week. And we'll be learning, yes, Robo Lawyer, we're going to be learning more Latin terms as well, about how the courts give meaning to those statutes. So, anyway, time to say goodbye, Robo Lawyer. He's very shy, you know.